Hello, Muffins! It's Hazel. Welcome back to another spooky video on this channel. I'm so excited that it's October, and today I'm going to show you how to make a little black cat charm, just like this one. But this time I want to try making it with a pink nose. So I'm excited about that. You know, some black cats have, I think most black cats have black noses, but I thought it'd be cute to try a pink nose. I actually made the pattern for this and tried making it for the first time on live stream. It was really fun. Anyways, for the supplies, I believe it's 12 black beads that I'm going to use today. One baby pink for the little nose, and then two glow-in-the-dark green for the eyes. Obviously you can do whatever colors you want. I'm doing a black cat because it's like Halloween, you know? And I'm gonna be using 1mm elastic cord. I chose black for this because it just really matches the black beads. And of course, I'm using a white background today, so I thought it'd be easier for you guys to see. I was using the white background because of the black beads. So then I thought, oh, black beads and black string, so you can see the beads and string. Anyways, let me know how you feel about the white background, if you would like to see it in more of my videos, or if you prefer the black background. This is just a piece of watercolor paper. I think that's everything. I also have a beading needle in case I'll need it. Sometimes I have trouble getting the string through the beads, so I have that, just in case. Yeah, let's get started. This is gonna be a really simple, easy, and fun thing. It took me like 5 minutes to draw this pattern on candypatterns.com. It's like pretty much really similar to the pumpkin. Excuse me. Alright, let's start. I don't know how much string this needs. I'm gonna go with like approximately maybe 2.5 feet. I measured it with my arm, so I don't know exactly. I think my arm is 2 feet long. I don't know. So yeah, now that I have this, I'm just gonna fold it in half. We're doing a peyote stitch. So on each end of the string, let's add one bead on each end. One black bead on each end. Like that. And then next goes on one of the eyeballs. So I'm going for the glow-in-the-dark green. Oh, this one has like a burr on it. Let me see if I can break that off. Just swipe that away. Okay. So we got that on there. And then next, we're going to do one black bead and then one pink bead. So one black on one end of the string and one pink on the other end. Then we'll put on the other eyeball by putting the two strings together and putting them both through the eyeball. Then one black on each string. So this is the base of our little peyote stitch cat, and I'm just gonna tighten it up. Check before you tie it off, maybe pause the video, and just make sure that it looks like this. And the string I'm using really is just kind of a preference. You know, if you want to use a different string or you don't have this kind, that's fine. So I've got it tied once, and I'm going to tie it again. I'm just using what's called a square knot. Yay, it's so cute. Okay. I can already see it's starting to look like a little face. That is so cute. I'm going to put the nose of the cat facing towards me and do the bottom part of the cat first. So I'm going to take my string, just one of them, and put it through one of these edge beads, the one that's like facing the same way as the nose. So I'm putting it through there. We're gonna add a black bead here and then put the string through the nose. And now let's add on another black bead and put the string through the next black edge bead. And then we're going to do the chin. We're going to take this string and place it through the bead we just added. So it's going to be the second from the edge. And then we're going to add on the little chin. It's going to be one black bead. All right. And I don't know what I'm going to do with this right now, so I'm just going to leave it here. For right now, we'll see what happens next. I do not have how to make this memorized, and I am winging it. So I'm going to take my other string that I wasn't using and place it through the black edge bead that is facing towards me. Then I'm going to put on one black bead and put the string through the center black bead. Then we're going to add another black bead and put the string through the edge black bead. Now this is where I feel like we're going to need that other string. So we're going to have to figure out how to get that other string over here. So like from here to here. So let's figure that out. To make it nice and symmetrical like the last one I did, let's put the string through this edge corner bead. Hit. Yep. There we go. And then I'm going to put the string back through the second from the edge bead. Oh yes, this is going to be perfect. Like this. It's kind of hard to see, but like now there's a loop on each side, so it's going to make it look symmetrical and not like lopsided. And this is also a great way to get the string where we want it. So next I'm going to put the string through the green eye that's like right above where it's coming out. And we want to be going that way towards the outside of the cat. Yeah, like this. And then we can put the string through the top edge bead. And that is exactly where we want it to be. So that was a good maneuver. Now all that's left is to add the ears and tie it off. So let's add one ear. I'm going to grab one of the strings. It doesn't really matter which one at this point. Add a black bead and then place the string through the like second from the edge bead. Gonna tighten that up. That is great. Then I'm going to put this string through the middle bead as well. All right, now let's go to the other ear. So now I'm going to add the other ear and place the string through the second from the edge bead. And that should put it right next to the other end of string. So now we can just tie it off. And I'm going to use a double knot. I'm not super, like if it was a cuff, I'd use a triple knot, but like I'm not super concerned that this is going to somehow come untied. But I am tugging on it like this. Just be really careful if you're using clear string because it might break if you do that too hard. And now I'm just gonna cut the string. It doesn't look like I used the full like 2 feet of string, Probably 1 feet would be fine. 1 feet. Like probably 1 foot would have been enough. But you know, it's less annoying to have too much string than have not enough string. They're so cute. I love that one of them has a black nose and one of them has a pink nose. Love it. Anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you're gonna make with your tiny cats. Are you gonna make a necklace, a bracelet, keychain? And thanks a lot for watching my video. Until next time, peace, love, unity, respect, and happy Halloween. Hello everyone, Editing Hazel here. I just remembered that I wanted to say a huge thank you to our channel members, Gator Mutt, Slimy Lucy, Invader Icy, Robin, and Tina Harris. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. And if you would like to join the members and get access to exclusive emojis and shoutouts in my content, check out my link tree down below, and there's a link where you can join. And bye for real this time.